The Westinghouse WPX3200 Gas Pressure Washer delivers an impressive 3,200 pounds per square inch and 2.5 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling tough cleaning tasks on decks, sidewalks, and cars. With its onboard half-gallon soap tank and a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose, this pressure washer ensures you can clean large areas without frequent refills or interruptions. The powerful 212 cubic centimeter four-stroke engine with recoil start guarantees long-lasting performance and easy operation for both beginners and experienced users. Designed with a robust steel frame and 12-inch never-flat wheels, the WPX3200 offers excellent maneuverability and stability across different terrains. Each unit is thoroughly tested at the factory for functionality, ensuring reliability and readiness right out of the box, and it comes with a 3-year limited service warranty for peace of mind. Westinghouse's commitment to quality is evident through its nationwide customer service network, providing users with support and assistance whenever needed.